How Crohn's disease may affect you. Crohn's disease is a lifelong illness, with periods of active symptoms called flares, and also periods of remission, when you don't experience any symptoms. During the active period, you may experience abdominal pain and cramping, severe diarrhea, rectal bleeding, nausea or vomiting, loss of appetite, weight loss, anemia, fatigue, dizziness, joint pain and sometimes swelling, mouth sores, or even fever. If you experience any of these symptoms, do not hesitate to seek medical care. Now, let's watch to find out if there is a cure for this disease.